In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text box in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to a page, and to do that, head on over to the left-hand side of the navigation panel, and then scroll until you find the database, until you find the page in which you want to add a text box to. Within here, what you want to do is you want to click on a blank page, and then you could start adding your text box. And to do that, you want to do a slash and then text. Within here, you could actually pick a lot of text that you want to do within this page in here. Let's just say text. What you could also do is add a quotation. Do a slash, then quotation, as well as a call out. You can do slash and then call out. If you already have a specific text and you just want to change it, you just want to highlight the text itself, and within the text box, you just want to click on this one and it will actually change it into the way that you want it to be. And that's about it. That's how to add text box in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.